Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into Xiaomi 12 Pro. Firstly, open your phone application, this one. Then, in the top right corner, we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose Settings. Then choose Block Numbers option. And now, for unlocking, for example, this last number, click here on the right side and confirm operation tapping Unblock. Maybe let's try again. This number, and here on the right side tap to cross and confirm operation tapping Unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.